Hello and welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, I mainly invested in Canadian dividend stocks and share my investment journey in this channel. If you are interested in these topics, consider to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification. Today the stock we are looking at is Couche-Tard. A company pays a little dividend but has a promising growth potential, which makes me feel it's worth to have a look at. Couche-Tard is a Canadian multinational operator of convenience stores. So if you have ever visited to any brands of these convenience stores, you are using their services. Not only in Canada, Couche-Tard also have business in the US, Mexico, European countries, Russia, Japan, China, and Indonesia, with a total number of 15,000 stores. And from this, we can tell that Couche-Tard's business is very geographically diversified. Couche-Tard's business mainly focuses in three areas, including merchandise and services, road transportation fuel, and others such as aviation fuel, leasing land, or car rental services. So in their 2020 revenue, the road transportation fuel takes the major part. And at the same time, Couche-Tard is also developing charging stations for electric vehicles. As we can see in the news, in Norway, the convenience store has more charging stations and home and office charging solutions than any other fuel retailers in Norway, which I consider this is a good direction for them in the future. As they already have the lands, have the stores, the only thing they need to add on is to build more charging stations. And in Canada, Suncor is also doing the same thing. If you remember the video that I talked about Suncor previously, Suncor is also building charging stations in their gasoline stations. The market cap of Couche-Tard is around 43 billion, which is a large number. So their base value is 0.83, which is less than 1, meaning that their market price is less volatile than the market average. The PE ratio is around 16, which is less than 20, and usually we consider this as a good number. The forward dividend and yield is $0.35 per share with a dividend yield of 0.87%. Even though the dividend yield is not high for Couche-Tard, but we can see from the history data, the actual dividend yield of Couche-Tard is increasing year by year. And if we are going to invest in this company for long term, then we can foresee that we will earn more and more dividend as we keep this company's stock. And also we can see the company keeps their payout ratio really low at around 10%. This is a good sign. A low payout ratio means that this company can maintain more money in their hand, and they can use this money to further develop their company and make their business larger and larger. Additionally, a low payout ratio means the dividend paid by this company is sustainable, and in the future, they are more likely to keep increasing their dividends because there is a lot of space for them to do this. Now let's look at the financial status of this company. The first thing we want to do is to calculate the current ratio, which is using the total current assets divided by the total current liabilities. If the current ratio is higher than 1, then we can say this company is in a good financial status. If the current ratio is higher than 2, then we can say the financial status of this company is extremely good. So let's see the number of Couche-Tard. So we use 6430900 divided by 3744300. So we get a current ratio of 1.7, which I consider is really good. And next, we can look at the cash flow of this company. So if we click on cash flow, and then we go to the bottom here to see the free cash flow. Basically, the free cash flow means how much money how much cash the company have on hand. We really want to see a company have positive and increased cash flow year by year. This is also a very positive sign for this company. The current price of Couche-Tard is less than the calculated fair value of this company, which means the stock of this company is actually at discount, and it is around more than 30% undervalued. Additionally, in the past 3 months, Couche-Tard insiders have bought more shares than they have sold, which is a good sign, because we always want to see insiders to buy more shares of their own company, right? That means they have the confidence in their company, and they look good for the future growth in their company's stock price. Currently, in my portfolio, I hold 5 shares of Couche-Tard with a total value of 179.7. It takes up around 3.77% of my entire portfolio with an average price of 38.94 Canadian dollars. The all-time return of this stock is 1.82% up. The historical data of the price of Couche-Tard has shown us that in the long run, the stock price has been consistently increased over time. So overall, I would recommend this stock because we not only have a certain amount of dividend, even though it's a small value now, but as the payout ratio is really low and the company is increasing their dividend yield year by year, so in the long run, the dividend will eventually goes to a relatively high value. And at the same time, we can enjoy the capital gain of the increase of the price of the stock, right? So I would recommend you to consider buy this stock or at least put this stock into your watch list if you want to diversify your portfolio. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, consider to hit that like button, subscribe my channel, and turn on the notification. And if you have any thoughts or opinions, feel free to leave a comment. If you are thinking about using Wealthsimple Trade, consider to use my referral link. You can get a $10 bonus after you invested more than $100 in Wealthsimple Trade. If you're already using Wealthsimple Trade but haven't got the $10 bonus yet, you can still get it by using my referral code shown on the screen. At the same time, if you want to find some place to store your emergency fund, consider using Wealthsimple Cash or EQ Bank. They offer interest rates higher than the big banks in Canada, and you will also get bonus dollars if you are using my referral links. So thanks again for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video.